Trip and fall or slip and fall injuries are very common. If you've been injured in the store, it's very important that you contact an attorney immediately. There's several things that we've got to establish. The first thing is we've got to establish your status. What kind of status did you have when you entered that store, or when you entered your friend's house, or when you entered a repair shop? By that I mean there's several different statuses that the state of Texas considers. The first status and most common status is an invitee status. If you go to HEB, you're considered an invitee, and the reason for that is you visited HEB for the benefit of yourself and also for the benefit of the store. However, there are other statuses such as licensee and trespass status. And so the first thing we have to do when you come in is we have to determine what kind of status did you have, and based on that status, we're able to determine what kind of duties the premises owner owed you. The second thing we've got to establish and look for is whether or not the reason you fell or tripped was as a result of a dangerous condition at that location. We've got to figure out the reason you fell. We've got to gather the evidence necessary to establish the reason that you fell, whether it was water on the ground or it was an improperly placed rug. We've got to understand that. We've got to determine that. Once we determine that it was a dangerous condition for you and other patrons at that particular location, we've got to establish that the premises owner knew or should have known. And the should have known part we typically refer to as constructive notice. The way that we prove that a store either knew or should have known is if we've got video footage and we're able to see from the video footage that there were several employees that passed by that area, then it's obvious that they either knew or should have known. So it's very important, if you have a slip and fall or trip and fall case, it's very important to identify these different factors. And if we're able to identify those factors, we bring a lawsuit against the premises owner and try to recover for you. If you've slipped, if you fell at a location, you've suffered injuries as a result thereof, give us a call. You can contact us at 956-533-1426. Thank you.